Hello everyone and welcome to this declutter vlog. We're definitely going to declutter under the bed. I need to buy a label maker off Amazon because I really want that all decluttered, and yeah, you'll see in the video like how badly under the bed is. So I need to do that. So if you're sitting here procrastinating like I am right now with my cup of tea, then it's time to get off the sofa, get out of bed and get decluttering. It's spring, it's the perfect time, and yeah, grab your teas, grab your coffees, and I hope you like this video. So this is the current situation of under the bed. As you can see, it needs a whole new organisation system and just declutter. Like half the stuff in here I have not used in a while, and yeah, some of it I want to donate, sell, you know, all the things. This is the situation. So it is in an organised mess. So this is like pyjamas and stuff. There's holiday bits in boxes because when I tried to organise before, got a spare duvets at the back, and then like some seasonal jumpers, and then we've also got loads of miscellaneous stuff. So we are going to declutter this. I'm going to start on this side with the pyjamas and be quite ruthless in what we're keeping and what not keeping. I'm going to put any like donation stuff in these bags. So these just white clear recycling bags. And then I've also got the vacuum pack, which I've not used before. I've only picked up a small pack, but I want to try and put this into sections first and then get this, because I've also ordered a label maker off Amazon, which is coming tomorrow. So I'm hoping this can be in a better organised mess, and then we can just label it. And if worst case, we can always put post-it notes if I do use all the vacuum packs, so I can just label it tomorrow. So yeah, that is the situation. So like, for example, the massive duvet could be vacuum packed and I can just put a label on it, and then that's like half it shrunk down. I might actually do that first. I don't know what to do with my lounge flight bags because I don't know if I want to vacuum pack them. I don't know if it'll ruin it. Let me know. Just opened the vacuum pack. I've obviously not used this before, done this before. I might try and keep one or two for my holiday. We shall see. Otherwise I might order some more. I'll link these below if you guys want to get some. Just off Amazon these are. But this one comes with a pump, which I probably won't use. I'll probably just use my vacuum. But I thought the pump might be good if I do decide to vacuum pack for holiday. Instructions. And then the bags look like this. So I've ordered the big ones. Wow, they're actually massive. And then this is the little suction thing. So I've got to figure out how to use it. But I'm going to put the duvet in this one first. And then hope for the best. But I thought I need it just in case I want to put like pyjamas and stuff. The bigger ones will probably be better. So let's try. Change of plan. So that wasn't a duvet, they were 4 old pillows. So I remember when we changed our pillows to feather ones, I wasn't sure if I was going to like them, so we kept them. But they are going in the bin. Charlie's keeping one for download, but other than that, they're just going. We don't need them, so I'm not vacuum packing them. So let's crack on with the pyjamas, which this is the worst part, I feel like, of it, of keeping, get rid of, but we're going to be ruthless. just done my first ever vacuum pack. I've put so much stuff in it that is not even really vacuum packed that well. But I've got basically a bag of all my Christmas jumpers, Halloween jumpers, and then Christmas slippers and Halloween slippers in one bag. So I can stick that under the bed and I know where everything is then. And then that's all nice and put away. This is what the vacuum bag looks like. So it's not actually that vacuum pack because there's so much in it, but I think that's fine. And then we'll stick that in the back there. For now, I'm just going to stick this label on there so I can label it tomorrow once the label machine comes. So it's 6:30. I'm literally going to put all the stuff away under the bed and then hopefully it'll be a bit more organised. Then tomorrow we'll label stuff. This is the current state of our room. It's an organised mess right now. So I just need to organise it under the bed. And look, the cats are here now to play. And it's not a playground. So this is what it's currently looking like. I'm going to label this tomorrow, but I've decided to keep the bins open because the lids broke on some of them. But here is all my pyjamas. Here is holiday stuff. I've shoved my slippers down the side here. This area here is bags. I need to go through that bag. It's got all electronics in, but I need to go through that and just sort that out at some point. And then I've got 3 vacuum packs, 2 of them are coats, and then on top of that is just hoodies that I might use. In the meantime, I have just a Kurt Geiger bag there, some baby bits here. This is like miscellaneous bits, so there's like books. That is what was on the baby thing, bags, just little miscellaneous bits. Baby stuff, and then at the back is like themed clothes basically. Then over there is potentially what I'm taking on holiday, so I just need to sort that out. And that is, so we've got that gap where Nala is, for anything. But the bins are actually quite empty. So like, for example, that could all be vacuum packed and it would have more room. So I might do that. But with the pyjamas, I feel like it's just easier to take out. And the bags, I don't want to vacuum pack because I don't know if it will ruin it. But I could vacuum pack after my holiday, the holiday stuff, because I only go on holiday like once a year. So I could do that, and then that will also free up that bit of space as well. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. We're going to label this tomorrow. I've got onesies at the back, which I don't always use, but I didn't want to chuck. So I didn't know what to do with that. And we've got a couple of scarves as well. So yeah, this is the finished bit. It didn't take me too long actually. It's now 7:30. But I will do this. I'll pick up tomorrow when the label machine comes, and then we'll label the bins and the vacuum pack stuff. And it's definitely freed up a lot. So yeah, recommend the vacuums. I really like them. You can't get as much as I thought you could get in there. I think that's just because I've got too much stuff. But it's fine. We move. I feel like I wasn't as ruthless as I wanted to be. Like, I was ruthless. We did 3 bags. But I still feel like there's a lot under here. Especially pyjamas. Like, I love pyjamas. So I'm like, maybe eventually we'll cut that down. And the bags, some of the bags I think, want to get rid of. But some of them are designer, so I don't know whether to keep them or not. So they're on my to-do list as well. Because I've got a Michael Kors bag, but it's got stuff in it. And I want to empty the stuff, and then I'm thinking I'm just going to sell it as well. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling. See you tomorrow for label. So it's the next day, and the label maker came. It's called Soup Fan. I think that's how you say it, Soup Fan. No idea. But basically, you download an app on your phone, and then you decide what the label you want is, and then it just prints, and you can also cut it on here. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So I need to turn it on. Makes a noise. Then you go onto the app. Looks like this. It will start, add printer, connect, make another noise. So it's connected. And then I was doing lifestyle. So you get loads of templates if it will show like this. So I'm just going to use pants. Take off the frame. I don't want a frame. Basically just delete all of this. Put that in the middle. Change this to pyjamas. So I'm just going to put pyjam. I don't know how to spell it. Pyjamas, like so. I'm going to change the font. So the font I was used is this one. Make sure it's in the middle. And then I'm also going to make the font bigger. So the font, see the size. Sorry, you probably can't even see. So this size makes the font bigger. And then what you do, print preview. So this is what it looks like on the preview. I'm actually just going to adjust that so it's in the middle. Print preview. So it looks like this. And then when I click print, it will just come out of here. Like so. I'm going to do it one more time. Cut that off. And here it is. Probably do that one more time because I had the old. So basically, if you want to do it again, you can also press this button. And it will do it again for you. And then you just clip it off like so. And there's your little pyjamas label. So I'm going to basically label all under the bed so I know what's what, and anyone else that goes under there knows what's what as well. So let's do it. thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this declutter of under my bed. Let me know if you're gonna be doing any decluttering this spring. Literally, I feel like I'm in my declutter season. It's also called I feel like nesting, but the declutter phase and vibes are all going on this channel right now. So if that's something that's a bit of you, please subscribe, and if you made it this far, please comment this emoji. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.